Have you ever wondered how to make $10,000 a month writing online? In this digital age, the power of the written word has never been more significant. As the world becomes more connected, the demand for digital content is skyrocketing, presenting a golden opportunity for writers. Whether you're a seasoned wordsmith or a beginner with a passion for prose, the online world is your oyster. So, are you ready to tap into this lucrative market? Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of turning your writing skills into a hefty monthly income. First things first, you need to build a strong foundation. This is where your writing prowess comes into play. It's crucial to hone your writing skills, refining your ability to communicate effectively and persuasively. You're not just writing, you're crafting a narrative, a story that resonates with readers. Beyond skill, finding your niche is vital. Whether it's travel, tech, health, or any other field, having a specialized area helps you stand out in a sea of writers. Dive deep into your chosen niche, understand its ins and outs, become an expert. The next cornerstone is consistency. Consistency in quality, consistency in output. It's not about churning out content mindlessly, but steadily producing high-quality pieces that readers look forward to. Originality is another key ingredient. Your unique voice, your distinct perspective is what sets you apart, and understanding your target audience, their needs, their interests, is paramount. Remember, a well-structured base can pave the way for a successful journey in the world of online writing. Now that you have a niche and sharpened writing skills, where do you find these lucrative writing gigs? Well, the online world is teeming with platforms that offer diverse opportunities for writers. Content mills, for example, are a good place to start. They provide a constant flow of work, and while the pay may not be stellar, they offer an excellent platform to hone your skills and build your portfolio. Then there are freelance job boards. These are like the Wild West of writing jobs, offering everything from blog posts to technical manuals. The pay varies, but with a good pitch and a solid portfolio, you can land some pretty profitable gigs. And let's not forget self-publishing. While it requires a considerable amount of work, the rewards can be substantial. Imagine writing a bestseller. The royalties could keep rolling in for years. But remember, each platform has its own set of challenges. Navigating them effectively is key. Choosing the right platform is like choosing the right battlefield. It's all about strategy. It's time to sell yourself. Yes, you heard it right. Building your brand is the cornerstone of a successful writing career. Imagine your brand as your professional identity. It's the narrative you create about yourself, your writing style, your niche, and your values. Creating a robust portfolio is the first step. Showcase your best work here, the pieces that truly encapsulate your writing prowess. This is your chance to make a strong impression, so choose wisely. But a portfolio alone isn't enough. You need an online presence that's equally professional. Think polished LinkedIn profile, engaging Twitter feed, perhaps even a personal website. This is your digital storefront, your window to the world. Networking is vital. Connect with other writers, potential clients, industry influencers, forge meaningful relationships. Remember, your network is your net worth. And finally, perfect your pitch. Make it crisp, compelling, irresistible. Your pitch is your foot in the door, your handshake with opportunity. With a strong brand, you become not just a writer, but a trusted authority in your niche. So, how do you go from making a few bucks to $10,000 a month? Well, it's all about consistency, continual learning, and adaptation. We've talked about the power of the written word, finding your starting point, exploring diverse platforms, and building your own brand. But the road to $10,000 a month is paved with dedication to your craft, an insatiable curiosity to learn new things, and the ability to adapt in a digital landscape that's constantly evolving. Remember, the journey to making $10,000 a month writing online is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep writing, keep learning, and keep growing.